Happy Monday, everybody. It's January 13th. We took 5 trades on Dow Futures, or YM symbol, for 177 points. We did have one of these break-even trades and mismanaged a few trades, but still had a great day overall. This is our first trade. We had some decent data, but you can see price was really popping a little, and this is pre-market. There was no news today or anything. We're coming up off the bottom. We had some really good higher time frame reversal patterns we were working with, and of course the trade kind of fizzled out right here. We thought we were going to hit yesterday's high and that band up top there. Just a break even. Now price has been running high for quite a while. You can see we have a trend line. So every time the trend line has tested bull support, we've had lower highs, but we have not had any new highs, and we kind of stalled out and made a reversal pattern, a soda trade off the top. Now that we're moving, we're going to go ahead and protect that trade, move that stop loss into profit. So we're aiming for VWAP, but now that we are testing Friday's low of day, we're going to go ahead and lock in 29 points right here. So there's a lot of noise right at the beginning of the day here. However, you can see now all of our data is starting to flip over, and we're going to go long. We're breaking through the value area. We're breaking into where there is no volume up here. So we're heading up for that light aqua band up there. That's called the deviation high number 2. And we have our stop loss already protecting this trade. So this is a risk-free trade at the open. Now you can see we're rejecting Friday's close. It says yesterday's close with that little dashed line. Let's see how price behaves. This was a trade I probably mismanaged because I dragged the stop loss all the way up to right under to lock in 51 points in case it came back against me. Of course it did, but you can see it actually would have hit our TP. You can see this incredibly powerful numeric data in momentum, sentiment. We still have that volatility break, and we're going to go ahead and re-enter here after we came back down again, tested Friday's close. All of our data's holding, so we're going to go long again. I'm being super conservative, so I have my take profit set right there at the high of day, basically right under that pattern there to the left. You can see we quickly hit this 45 points, and it would have jammed all the way up to that high and kept going. So that's how powerful this data is when you're working with it. We know we're going to hit our targets, and usually it will blow right through and keep on going. This is our signature soda reversal process. We're working with only short time frame data, coming back down, trying to probably aim for VWAP, that pink floating line. We've got the stop loss moved into profit. The trade is now protected and risk-free. Now, I have a call that I have to jump on right now, a strategy session, so we're just going to go ahead and manually lock in 52 points, but I will tell you this trade kept going and did end up hitting that pink line or VWAP. I totally forgot to add this trade in. This was still from the beginning of the longs. We did have one more 43-point trade in there. That brings our total up to 220 points for the day. This is what trading with the optimizer is all about. Look at how we tested that aqua line. That's our deviation 2. We're heading up to deviation 3, punching through this 23.6 Fibonacci level, protecting the trade once it starts running away from our entry point, and quickly hitting with momentum, sentiment, and volatility our 43-point take profit.